Hello everyone, so I'm in Nuremberg at the moment and I'm staying at a Park Inn by Radisson. I've been given room 520 on the 5th floor, so let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That's the floor plan. Slot to insert the key card for the room's power, light switch and a power outlet. Cupboard with my jacket and jumper, a bit of storage right above. More storage, in-room safe, place your luggage. Mirror. And the bathroom. Straight in there is a shower, toilet, and a sink. Another mirror. Hello. Desk area, flat screen LG TV with an Apple TV below, coffee, tea making facilities, stool, armchair, somewhat of a desk bedside table sort of thing. You can also find this in the Ibis styles that I stayed in last night. But that looks like a pretty comfortable bed. Obviously, bedside tables on either side, telephone right there, red wall, climate control panel. So let's take a quick look out of the window. Can't see much, but there is a block of, I believe, what looks like flats right above. Not a bad view, not the best view, but I believe there are views worse than this. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 520 at the Park Inn by Radisson in Nuremberg. Thanks for watching and goodbye.